Well, ladies and gentlemen, I am back on the channel with another vacuum video. So today I'm at my grandma's house, obviously, and well, I'm gonna be showing you her 3 vacuum cleaners. So we'll start off with this one. This is a Hoover Windtunnel Supreme. It's very old. It's about 25 years old. But it still works pretty good. And she uses this one not very often at all. She only uses it a few times a year, vacuuming upstairs because nobody ever comes up here hardly. So no need to vacuum up here. Last time she used it was a few weeks ago, and before that she hadn't used it in a very long time. The other one was actually a vacuum that I found, or my mom found. She found this at a little vacuum store. They sell brand new vacuums, they fix vacuums, and they look for vacuums in the trash and sell those. And that's how I got this one. Apparently they had found this thing in the trash, and trash picked it and brought it back to the shop. And I really wanted one of these Hoover Elites because I thought they were really cool vacuums. So yeah, I was very happy when my mom found that one. She uses that one. There's a bonus room down there that she uses. She said she uses this one about once a month in there. And then the Shark Lift Away. This is her main vacuum. She uses this one in the main floor. Uses it once every 1 to 2 weeks. So she uses this one the most by far. She said she uses this one about once a month, and she said she uses this one about once every 6 months. So yeah. Anyway, we are going to start with the Hoover Windtunnel and work our way down. So I'm gonna have to find a way to put this. I'm going to bring this over here so that I can maybe put it right here or something. I'm going to move that. And I think I might put the phone down right here. Hopefully you can see that well, and hopefully it will not fall over. I think that's good. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with the Windtunnel Supreme. Just tape all over the cord. So yeah, this thing is very old and very loud, so here we go. Put it down. Alright, here goes. Beast. Okay, so I know that the Hoovers are 12 amp motors. I'm not sure about the Shark. I think the Shark might be a 10 amp motor, or I know my other grandma's Shark is a 10 amp motor. I'm not sure about this one. Okay, let's position the phone differently this time so that we can see the Hoover Elite. Let's make sure that we can see it See it good. Okay. There we go. All right, time for the Hoover Elite. I think maybe we'll angle it up just a little bit, make sure it doesn't fall. Okay, time for the Hoover Elite. And this is the deluxe version. So the normal version was, you could get it in red, and the little trim was yellow, bright yellow. I personally like the red, and this is kind of like a grayish. I like that color combo better. I think the yellow is kind of ugly. And you can also get it in blue, like a real, like baby blue, and then like a navy blue on this. But this is probably my favorite color trim of all the color trims. Okay. Just as an aside, the Windtunnel was made in, I think, 1999, somewhere around there. The Hoover Elite was made in 2008. I think we figured that out somewhere along the way. And then the Shark, my grandma got in 2014. And I think that's the year, I'm guessing. But anyway, this is the Hoover Elite. Here we go. Unfortunately, since this one was found in the trash, I don't have any of the attachments for it. But I think my grandma does have a turbo brush lying around from that Hoover that I think she may have used on this before. Because there's supposed to be like a crevice tool and an upholstery tool, and there's supposed to be a turbo brush right here. It's missing the turbo brush and the little thing that mounts to this handle that holds the turbo brush. But anyway, that's the Hoover Elite. We'll do one more. We got one more vacuum, and that is the Shark Lift-Away Navigator. Okay, let's position. Okay, here we go. Move the cord to the Elite real quick. There we go. Okay, this is the Shark Navigator Lift-Away. It lifts, it's called the Lift-Away because you can lift it off the base. So that's a neat feature. But I'm gonna keep it on the base for this demonstration. Okay, here we go. And this one's very nice because you can swivel, and there's a feature where you can actually turn the brush roll off when you go on hard floor. Neither of the Hoovers have either of those features. when you're down here, it's on, but if it's on the on setting and you come up with it, it turns off automatically. Not really sure the purpose of that, but it does do it. Okay, so there you go. Those are my grandma's vacuums. Now I have a video of all the family vacuums. And, yeah. So there you go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to put this in a playlist. This video, along with the vacuums at my other grandma's house and the vacuums at my house. And eventually, I will have a compilation of all the vacuums in my family. And I'm talking about vacuums that we use, not a part of my collection, which is now like 3 vacuums because I sold almost all of them. And the 3 are up in my attic and I never use them. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.